that, in big cities, now that we are finding millets more easily, but when there are small cities around, the millets is not found easily. So out of the 5 millets that you mentioned, which one or two that you would recommend that people should try to get it if they are not
It dep-
accessible to all five?
no. They should get all the five. In fact, I wanted to add five more to the list, but I am not having time to do. But luckily, all these five can give us a full health. So you need five, minimum of five, minimum of five. So you should actually get them and keep it in your refrigerator, because in America you have everyone has got the facility of refrigerator that can actually store for a long time. I mean, instead of 1 month or 2 months, you can keep it for 4 months. So whenever you get a chance to go to the big cities, pick up few more pounds extra and then keep it in the refrigerator till you visit next.
The next question is that can you mix the flavor of some of this for better taste and make thepla? I'm Gujarati, so make theplas out of it, or you would if you're not following protocol, just for you to get a healthy food intake.
Yeah, that's no problem. But you better mix with dals, different kinds of
Okay.
dals, and that is very much important. It's a good thing to do that, but don't mix within the siridhanya, five siridhanya. Mixing each other only reduces its healing effect. Not that it causes any trouble to you, but it's just that, say, if you were to eat little millet, you would clean up your genital organs. So if you mix it with coda millet, now it cleans up the blood. So both together have only half the material to clean up this or clean up that. So the cleaning up process, the essential part of Siridhanya is to clean up the body, because you can get energy from other things also. You can get all the other things can be practically worked out by other food items. But that cleaning is what is missing in all the foods that we are eating, including the vegetables, including the fruits, because they cannot supply enough fiber. And if we start middling with this aspect, which is the most essential part of healing, which is being supplied by these individual millets, and then you screw it up because you want some taste or something like that. But you can make very tasty stuff with individual flour itself. Kodo, you can make nice bonda, nice sweet. So all those permutations are worked out in our cookbook as well as Millet Magic. So follow that and you will have enough recipes to keep your taste buds happy all the time. In fact, for us, it's so difficult to choose. What do I make? Everything is tasty. So me and my wife keep fighting. If we have a lot of fights just to choose the next meal's item.